Today I'm in the city of Nottingham to check out a new store. This store is the new store from Box Empire. This is their first physical store. Box Empire Plus and Knuckles, featuring Dante from the Devil May Cry series. So with stores like Miso and Pop Mart, what does this store have to offer that they don't?
Let's look at the selection. I've just realised they have the Kamen Rider cats, which is funny because we have just seen this in the Bandai store. These were in the Gachapon, or similar ones to Gachapon. These are the ones they have. Oh, and I see they got their civilian forms and their rider forms. And the good thing here, they do have sometimes ones on display. You see down here, we got the One Piece. I do like these ones that are like plushes. This one here comes in a tin. Absolutely wild. And I'm noticing a lot of these plush ones are becoming more and more popular. As you see, these are right at the front. Quite big, and I do love the boxes they come in. And we do have some of the anime ones. We've got the Genshin Pop Mark ones. I've seen these around, and these are quite new. For you non-anime fans, they even have a Star Wars. Oh my days, this Jurassic World. And they have some custom paints figures here. So there's a lot of, they do collaborations with local artists, so you can get some really awesome one-of-one items here. We have Naruto range. See what sort of Naruto characters you can get. They also tell you the odds, so if you're looking for one, how many you're technically going to open. You even got a Digimon. I do like these Digimon. I like the faces. I like derpy faces like these. And then we even have some big Pokemon ones up here. And we have these really awesome Spy Family. Yeah, different Anyas. I'm like holding her. That's what she looks like. Then you got this really awesome Eevee series, which is all your favourite evolution. We've got a smaller one here, smaller Pokemon ones. You got fan favourites like Psyduck, of course on my hoodie. Seems to be getting the nickname Psyduck right now. We got some really nice big Pokemon ones. And we've got the cat. Beth was going on all about this. She really likes this character. And there's 4 cats in each one. That's quite good. So it's like, I guess these are the size of the Gachapons. That's actually quite good value considering how much sometimes the Gachapons will put you back over here. There was some more design. I like these ones. They're like little tuna cans. It's nice. They've got a nice display, so you can see. As I said, these are becoming so popular. These types of things, these mini. I've seen them everywhere. I mean, you don't see them in supermarkets. They're starting to have some of the anime ones. So you go to Sainsbury's now and you can sort of pick up anime stuff. It's so bizarre to see. Wow, they've got Stranger Things demons. They're adorable Stranger Things demons. Really showing that it is really something for everyone here. And ones now, these look amazing. They're little horror bots called the new Gundam series. Just airing, of course, a horror bot. Look like he's going to be playing a big part. Then you got Shin-chan. I may have brought this up a few times. There is a certain part of the UK anime scene that's kind of nostalgic for Shin-chan because they actually showed it on Fox Kids for a couple of years. So out of all sort of what I would call the big series in Japan, It was the only one ever to air in this country. Stuff like Doraemon never aired here. So kind of, I have a lot of nostalgia for Shin channels. It's kind of nice to actually be able to get merch. I've never seen any before. We got some free Connor. Will Connor ever be free? We got Ninja Turtles. It's really showing so many. I love these. I love how they've done these. These are amazing. I just love the boxes of some of these. They're so creative. It's like one of them crisp. It's a Sylvanian family set. My sister loves Sylvanian family. I think there's a movie out at the moment. Sylvanian Family's the movie of the classic Sylvanian families. An interesting character, Butterbear. I've heard this from a friend. She's really popular in Thailand, which I think she originates from. She was just a mascot for a restaurant, and she's really taken off. It's like there's this music video that's absolutely unhinged. There's like this hippopotamus who starts rapping in it. It's like wild.
Now let's take a closer look at this product. I must say the box alone is really high quality. The figure itself is really lovely. Kind of reminds me of the Sylvanian family feel. It actually does have a furry feel to it. Even comes with a free trading card. Please don't tell Pokemon that I'm collecting other trading cards. Too late, they're already at my door.
For my mascots, here's Hello Kitty. And oh, another series getting represented. And of course, Gen 4, the bronies are getting represented. Their gala outfits. Don't ask me how I know that. Not going to admit that I was a brony for a number of years. Oh, we've got some Studio Ghibli here. Oh, I love the boxes on this one. Oh, so high quality. It's like, you may not be able to see it on camera, it's like engraved into it. You feel bad ripping it. And these are what come inside. It's absolutely amazing. There's even some here in the window. They've got the Care Bears. I like this crony one, absolutely adorable. So a thing I like is they have a little area set up for unboxings. So I guess I should put this area to the test. This Spy Family one has piqued my interest. Plus it's a keychain. So I'm going to pick this up and see what Anya I got. Here we go, they've given us a lovely bag, and they've even given some stickers. Should be supporting, so you got this lovely Spy Family Anya, and we got her as many different animals, so which one do I want? We got her as a chicken, we got her as a cat, we got her as a rabbit, we got her as a see, this one, why I picked it is there's not a loser. They're all as great as each other. But, if I was to pick one I want the most, I'm just going to be ironic and go for the pig one, because the pig one I think just makes me laugh. It's time to, I love how it's got like a little area. Oh, that's like ASMR here. It comes in a little bag. So much detail is put into this. It's what I love. And the price. Oh, I see what I got. I got the rabbit one. That's absolutely adorable, and it can go in your bag. Really high quality. And she even has a little thing in the bag.
Now, one thing I absolutely adored about this store, they had a special area where artists could have their own little area where they could sell their own stuff. Now, if you watch any of my con videos, you know I buy a heck of a lot of stuff from Artist Alley because they are the place where we're a bit ahead of the crowd. So this is an absolutely amazing idea that we're going to have pretty much an Artist Alley all year round. They're expanding on it. Right now there's only one artist, but they plan to add way more. This is a great way for customers to find artists that they may have not found any other way, and another great way for the UK anime scene to expand and for businesses to grow. They also had one-off customs from local artists as well, so yeah, that's another really amazing thing they've done. What did I think of Box Empire Plus? I must say this is definitely one of the best stores. I mean, for of course the blind boxes, and even for just little anime goods, they had an absolutely amazing range. I mean, I go to Miso and Pop Mart, and they were just stuff I would never see in either one of them stores. This store did have a heck of a lot of anime stuff compared to both of them. Even though I noticed Miso is actually getting a lot more in, there was stuff like Shin-chan, Gundam, which I don't think I've ever seen stuff like Miso, Naruto. And it's saying this is just really cool, and I guess the added artist alley bit, and just the little things like the little table where you could go and make content. They really wanted creators to make content. They were so friendly to me in here. They really were enthusiastic for me to be here. Another cool thing they do is if you open a blind box and it's not necessarily the one you want, but the display figure is more what you wanted, you can swap it out for the display figure. They actually did offer me the other Anya as a panda, which I was like, no, I want her as a rabbit more. If it had been the big one, I would have swapped, but that was the only one I was willing to swap for. Now, of course, a few weeks ago, we were at the Bandai Namco Cross store in Birmingham, and I must say it's absolutely great to see stores like this opening all over the UK. Stores like this with variety, something just a little bit different, opening up all over the UK. So who do I recommend Box Empire Plus to? Definitely anybody who's into blind box art toys. Anime fans, especially with the artist alley bits, and especially if it hopefully will be expanding. Totally, this is a real must-stop shop for any anime fans here in the UK. The store is easy to find, and it's actually right opposite the Forbidden Planet, which also has some really cool stuff in it. The address is on screen now, and I have even put it in the description. Please make sure to check out this store. It's a must-see.